A very good morning, ma'am. Myself, Krishnamsi, and everyone present here. Today, we are presenting our cloud computing and semester project titled Cloud-Based Lost and Found Information System. So, this project is designed as an intelligent cloud-enabled platform that modernizes traditional lost and found management system. So, we are using cloud computing, AI-powered services, centralized database systems, and modern web technologies. The main objective of this project is to replace inefficient manual record systems with a scalable and intelligent digital ecosystem. So our team members are Sadhguru, Rishikesh, Gautam, and Nandavardhan. So coming into next slide. So the vision behind our project is to build a scalable cloud native platform that simplifies the process of reporting, tracking, and recording lost items efficiently. So traditional lost and found systems still depend deeply heavily on paper records, offline communication, and manual verification. So these methods create multiple problems such as fragmented record management, delayed communication, poor scalability, and lack of centralized accessibility. So to overcome these challenges, our system introduces centralized cloud infrastructure, digital transparency, AI-assisted identification, and real-time accessibility. So because this platform is cloud-based, users can access records remotely from anywhere. So coming into next slide. So now we will talk about the real world challenges that motivated us to develop this platform. So the first challenge is manual dependency. Most organizations still maintain physical registers for lost items, so which will increase risks such as data loss and inefficient management. So the second issue is lack of centralized access. Users cannot remotely verify item status. So another problem is poor communication between the finder and the owner. And large scale data management also becomes difficult because traditional systems are not scalable. So finally, existing systems lack cloud integration and AI-powered capabilities. Our project solves these limitations through centralized cloud native architectures. So now I want to show the codes for home page and index page. So coming into this, this is the code for login page where the whole login page will be shown. And coming into home page, this is the code for home page means the dashboard page. So if you want to show the website of home page and login page, so this is the login page where users can register or he can log in through this. So if we log in the account, we can get the home page. This is account creation and this is login page. After logging in, this is the home page, the dashboard of our system. Next, my friend Sadhguru will continue.
To the fourth slide, it is about the proposed solution to solve the limitations of the traditional system. We developed a cloud-based web platform called the Lost and Found Information System. The platform digitalizes and automates the complete lost and found workflow, where user can report lost items, upload found item details, attach item images, and also search records digitally. One important feature is AI-assisted image intelligence using cloud Google Cloud Services. This system also includes an advantage administrative dashboard for user management, category management, report verification, and analyze. Coming to the next slide. This slide is about system workflow. This slide explains the complete operational workflow. First comes to the user interaction layer, where users register, login, and submit lost and found item reports. Then the backend processing layer developed using PHP validates the process and requests. Next, cloud service handles hosting, monitoring, AI processing, and development. Finally, the administration layer manages reports, users, categories, and system analytics. Coming to the next slide, it's about the technology stack. For front-end development, we used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. For the backend development, we used PHP. For database management, we used MySQL. For development and cloud integration, we used Google Cloud Platform and Infinity Free Hosting. For development and local testing, we used XAMPP and VS Code. Now we will open the code. Manage database connectivity and cloud development configuration. Also shows XAMPP control panel. We initially developed and tested the project locally using Apache and MySQL services. From now, my friend Krishnavamsi will continue.
We used Infinity Free hosting as a public deployment platform for our application. In that, we used ngrok. Why? Because Infinity Free is not a free; it is a subscription. So we used ngrok. It enabled us to deploy the lost and found system online. So we deployed in the Infinity Free, and we used ngrok for public access and make it publicly accessible through live domain. So we integrated MySQL connectivity and hosted the complete application successfully. So to publicly access, we can use this link so that we can access anywhere. So like this, we can use. So next, my friend Sadhguru will continue.
Coming to the Google Cloud Engine, we use Google Compute Engine to provision a scalable cloud virtual machine infrastructure. Inside the VM environment, we configured Apache servers and PHP runtime for development, testing, and cloud native execution. Next, my friend Gautam will continue.
API. We integrated Google Cloud Vision API for the AI-powered image intelligence. The API performs OCR and object recognition on uploading images. This improves detailed identification capabilities and demonstrates practical AI integration. Now, Nandu will continue.
Cloud monitoring. We're using cloud monitoring. We use Google Cloud Monitoring to monitor infrastructure performing and VM activities in real time. It helps us track to operational health, CPU usage, and infrastructure reliability using monitoring data birds.
We also use cloud storage for a centralized cloud-based file management and scalable cloud storage solutions. Cloud storage provides highly scalable and reliable object storage architecture for storing application assets such as upload images. It enables structured file organization using buckets and folders, making file management efficient and easier to maintain in large-scale applications. Our project uses cloud storage to support efficient file handling of media files while ensuring availability, scalability, and simplified access management. The storage service can dynamically scale according to the application demand without requiring manual infrastructure management. Now, Gautam will continue.
Now, I want to speak about the core function for core functionalities. This slide is explain the major functionalities of our platform. The system contains both user modules and administrative modules. User can register, authenticate, report and lost items, upload images, search records, and communicate with the platform. Administrator can manage users, verify reports, manage categories, and monitor system activity. The platform also supports AI-assigned image processing, cloud-hosted accessibility, and real-time database operations. Now, next slide, UI UX design. To improve our user experience, we design a modern dark theme interface with responsive layouts. The system includes interactive navigation, authentication pages, modern dashboard cards, and responsive UI components. We customize the interface using advanced CSS styling to create a professional enterprise style appearance. Now, next slide, database architecture. This slide explains our centralized MySQL database architecture. The database manages modules such as users, lost items, found items, reports, and categories. We implemented a structured relational architecture for secure and efficient record management. The centralized database supports fast query execution, reliable consistency, scalable storage, and secure operations. Now I want to show in VS Code. This is our initialize.php. Here the database and Infinity Feed will be connected. And this is your config.php. I used PHP admin to the MySQL database. Here we see as category list, inquiry list, and item list, system info. These are all in our project. Now Nandu will continue.
Deployment architecture. We initially deployed the project local using XAMPP servers with PHP and MySQL integration. After successfully testing, we developed the platform public using infinite hosting. We also integrated Google Cloud services, including VM provisioning, Apache configuration, cloud cloud monitoring setup, AI-based service integration. Then next slide. Security and reliability. To ensure security and reliability, we implemented security authentication, section management, protected database access, controlled admin authentication. The cloud enable architecture also improves scalability, operational reliability, centralized management. STG, that is not in there. Our project analogies with SDG 9 industry and infrastructure, SDG 11 sustainable cities communities, SDG 16 peace, justice, and strong instructions. The platform promotes digital infrastructure, transparency, recording, management, and efficiency, public accessibility. Now Rishikesh will continue.
Project outcomes. Our project successfully developed a cloud-based lost and found information system using front-end, back-end, database, cloud, and AI technologies. The application was publicly deployed using Infinity free hosting and integrated with cloud services like Compute Engine, Cloud Vision API, cloud monitoring, and cloud storage. The project demonstrated cloud development, AI-assisted image processing, scalable infrastructure, and monitoring in one unified system. The project also improved our understanding of real world cloud integration and modern web application deployment. Next slide. Future scope. In future, the platform can be enhanced using AI-based automatic item matching, mobile application support, GPS-based tracking, QR code verification, and real-time notification systems. Advanced analytic dashboard can also be integrated for better administrative insight. These enhancements can make the system smarter, faster, and more accessible for users. Next slide. To conclude, our project transformed traditional lost and found management into a modern cloud enabled system using cloud infrastructure, AI services, centralized database, and responsive web technologies. The project provided practical experience in cloud deployment, full stack development, infrastructure monitoring, and scalable application design. Overall, the project demonstrates how cloud computing can effectively solve real world management problems. Next slide. Thank you. Thank you for everyone for your time and attention. We hope this presentation clearly demonstrated the practical implementation of cloud computing, AI integration, and scalable infrastructure in solving real world problems. We are happy to end our presentation.